Hey guys, just wanted to put together a quick video to let you know about some news that's been circulating through the web on Reddit and various news outlets regarding Model 3 reservations. The word is that Tesla is going to invite all current Model 3 reservation holders in the US and Canada to come and configure their vehicle sometime this weekend. And invites will be sent out based on when the reservation was placed. But reports are coming in that current reservation holders are already receiving invites from Tesla to come configure their Model 3, and some with reservations that were placed as soon as May of this year, so 2 months old. Reservation holders can still hold out for the short-range version or options that they're waiting on as they choose. So that's big news, and I think that's going to have a big impact on Tesla stock, so if you're thinking about investing, now's probably the time. Other changes that have been reported include the dual motor option with premium interior has been cut from $5,000 to $4,000. So that brings the dual motor all-wheel drive with premium interior to $53,000 based on the rear-wheel drive single motor that's currently at $49,000. The Model 3 Performance version has had its base price cut from $78,000 down to $64,000 by making some of the features that were previously included optional to get that base price down. So now buyers can purchase the Performance Upgrade package for $5,000, and that includes increasing the top speed from 145 miles an hour to 155. You get carbon fiber spoiler, you get the 20-inch performance wheels along with the Michelin Sport 4S tires, red brake calipers, and the aluminum alloy pedals. And also, as I understand it, these price changes will be retroactive to reservation holders who've already placed their order, so good news there. Also, the white interior seats that everybody's after is available on performance models for $1,500 bucks. And lastly, delivery timelines have been updated and adjusted for the better. The standard battery option is now 5 to 9 months away, so I know a lot of people are hanging on for that $35,000 price point to get into a Tesla, so it's coming. Also, the long-range pack with single motor and the non-performance dual motor, 3 to 5 months, so that's great. So this is great news all around for Tesla, and just it shows how quickly they're increasing this line. I mean, I feel like they've had some hiccups, as any car company would, but they're really getting it down, getting all the bugs worked out, and just going full steam ahead. So a lot to come. I know we've seen a lot of Model 3s land when they started releasing those, but they're going to be a ton of them out. They're going to be everywhere. So I'm excited. Hope you guys enjoy. Any information that I left out or was incorrect on, please post it in the comments. Any reservation holders that did receive an email, please let us know, post in the comments, and we can kind of see where that trend is going. So thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.